Alright, so I don't know what this is. I just kind of opened my door. I'm guessing it has to do with the supercharger. Just, it has to be. So I'm gonna open this up. I need a knife. I'm gonna be gentle because I don't really know what this is. Honestly, guys, if I had to guess, I think it's the air-to-air, the heat exchanger. So we'll see. Let's see. All right. Ooh. Hold on. Hold up. I think we're right. I think we're right. Oh man. Oh man. Ooh. So this is actually our air-to-air intercooler kit. Now, this is not the full kit. We still need a couple of other pipes and fabrications that are needed to make this fit up to the Q50. Now, I'm gonna explain more about my supercharger kit. Just to let you guys know very briefly, I got a Top Guns upgraded air-to-air supercharger kit. So this is actually the air-to-air intercooler that's gonna be going on my supercharger kit. It's not gonna be the standard one that says Stillen across it. That's actually a water-to-air kit. And very briefly, I'll tell you guys the difference between the two. A water-to-air is exactly what it sounds like. It uses water to cool down the air before it goes into the engine internals. And you guys know the colder air you have, the more efficient your engine runs and the more power you could actually pull out of it. With the air-to-air kit, is using air to cool down the air. So it's actually a little more efficient because you don't actually have to worry about how hot it gets in your engine. You don't gotta worry about heat soak or anything like that because it really just comes down to how efficient the airflow is into your car. So it's nice that we actually got this upgraded kit for actually cheaper than what the base kit costs. And I'll get into everything about the supercharger kit once it all comes here, because realize guys, this is honestly the only thing I have out the kit right now, and everything else is gonna take like 2 more weeks. I know the blower is gonna take like 2 weeks, the intake manifold is gonna take 2 weeks to get here. This comes out actually off a 370Z kit. We gotta do some piping and fabrications to actually make it fit to the Q50. I'll get into all those intricate details later once we actually have the kit fully in our hands. Now, the big question with this air-to-air kit is, will there be a boost loss and a horsepower loss due to the fact that this is taking a lot of air from the blower? That's what we're gonna have to figure out. If that's the case, we might have to get a bigger blower, maybe a bigger or a better impeller, which is the fan or the turbine on the actual blower, and we're just gonna have to test and see. But we'll figure that out once we add everything on. Like I said, this is our only part that we got, so we're gonna wait for everything else to come in. For right now, we're just gonna kind of keep this in the corner and hope it doesn't collect dust by the time that everything else comes here. We got about 2 weeks before everything does, so we're gonna stay patient. But that's it guys, I just got this in the mail. I wanted to show you guys air-to-air upgrade kit intercooler unboxing for the Infiniti Q50. If you guys want to follow this journey, just to let you guys know, if you guys haven't figured out already, we are supercharging the 3.7 Infiniti Q50. We are on a road to the red sport right now, and if you guys want to join the journey, make sure you guys follow and subscribe this channel. Also follow my Instagram RRQ50, where I try and keep you guys updated with all the stuff that we're doing. Most of the time you guys kind of get the information first on my Instagram, because sometimes I don't always post everything I get on YouTube. So if you guys really want to stay updated, go ahead, follow RRQ50 on Instagram. I'll have a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. But make sure you guys like this video, follow the road to the red sport. This is the first piece to the whole entire kit that we're going to be doing, and it's going to be really exciting. But now we just kind of gotta be patient. So like I said guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like, share with your friends. I'm RR, my Q50 is out there, and I'm out.